Hi, I'm Loic Truet from the beautiful Royal Palms Resort on the Gold Coast. Now, I've been teaching here for 15 years and I see a lot of people day in, day out. 85 to 90% of my players have a poor posture or start out with a poor posture. I've developed this tip or this drill to get into the most neutral posture and help you make good swing. Please understand, if your posture is not the best, we're not going to rotate as much or as well, and we're going to invite other issues into our golf swing. Okay, the best way to start your posture is to grip the club vertically, put your hands on the grip, choose your grip. Now from here, all of a sudden you found the middle of your body, everything square, and all you got to do is 3 little steps to get into that great posture. So club up, step number 1, bend from your hips, then unlock your knees. That's very important. Just pop them out. As soon as you start bending your knees, you start sitting down too much, and we can't make a good golf swing either. So it's hips, knees, and drop. If you're too close to it, shuffle back out. Too far away from it, shuffle back in. Start again, hip, knees, drop, and you're ready to make a good golf swing. Just like that. Really hope this tip helps and you find yourself in a better posture to make very good golf swings.